Hola amigos, bien o no. Y, feliz noche aquí desde Medellín. Entonces, hoy, día 58, day 58. So, no mucho más tiempo para el fin de este proceso, ¿no? Pensamiento de hoy es para pregúntate, ¿tú sabes cuál es tu sonido? Do you know what is your sound? What do you sound like? ¿Tú reconozco el sonido de tu voz? Ese es el tema de hoy. So, here we go, day 58. So if you haven't already had a practice of this kind of thing, do you know what you sound like? Have you recorded it? Have you recorded yourself saying some of your dialogues? Have you listened to them back? Do you know what you sound like? Is it a shock? Once you've got used to the sound you have, can you improve? And how can we look to do that? Different ways we can try this. So clearly we can do some reading aloud, like you've seen me do a few times now over the last couple of months. And we can try and do that with a bit more expression. We can try and put some more dramatic emphasis in some of the things we're reading, depending on what that is. And of course we can still practice our dialogues. Maybe if we need to, just focus on a couple of lines of the dialogue and see if we pause in different points, if we put different stress on different parts of the sentence, whether that will, again, change our sound or whether it will improve the way we sound, the way we express what we want to say. But in all cases, if you're able to make an audio or video recording of you speaking, it's going to help you a lot, because then you get to see really what the other person, or what the other person hears, what the other person experiences. Yeah. So that's the tip for today. If you haven't yet tried that, do have a go. Do record at least one or two of your dialogues, or record some reading. Have a listen. See how you sound. Maybe try the same paragraph or so a couple of times, so you get something to compare against, and see what you think. Déjame saber en los comentarios. It does take practice, I admit. It is the first few times you do this, it's like, is that really me? But after a while you get a bit more used to how you actually sound, and then you can work on improving that, getting that to more of a sound that perhaps you like. So at this level, all types of reading are helpful, all types of dialogues. You could copy perhaps some of your favourite lines from the movies, pick your favourite scene from the films, just practice that dialogue, put yourself in your actor's place and see if you can do the speech better than him. There we go. So that's our tip for today. I hope you're having a splendid weekend. And from Medellín for now, again, I wish you a feliz noche and cheerio.